Wagwan, my YouTube friends and family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new over here, guys, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell as well so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, welcome back. I appreciate every single one of you. Today we're going to be making some jerk wings, hot and spicy jerk wings in the oven, so stay tuned and keep on watching. So I already went ahead and rinsed my chicken with some vinegar, and now I'm just applying some olive oil just to make sure that my chicken is nice and ready to receive the seasoning that I'm going to add. You know, sometimes the powdered seasoning would fall in the pan, so the oil is going to help the seasoning to stick to the chicken. So this is a seasoning that my friend went to Jamaica and brought back for me. It is a jerk seasoning. It has lots of herbs and spices in there. As you can see, it has the pimento seeds as well, so I'm just adding 1 tablespoon of that. And this is another one, it's called seasoned to the bone. She brought it back from Jamaica as well. It's the first I was hearing the name of this seasoning, but I really appreciate it. Alright, so I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of that as well. I'm gonna add my walkerswood now, and I am gonna add 2 tablespoons. It's up to you how spicy you want your wings, because this is a hot and spicy one. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of the walkerswood hot and spicy jerk seasoning. So now I'm just going to add a teaspoon of my paprika and a teaspoon of my red pepper flakes. So remember, if you're doing more wings than I am doing, you would add more powdered seasoning, but for this amount of wings that I'm using, this amount of seasoning is perfect. It will make it nice and tasty and not salty. Alright, so now I am going to just use my hands and massage the seasoning into the chicken, and because I added the oil before, it's gonna make it way easier. And then I'm just gonna set it in my fridge until I finish cooking my other meat. I'm gonna be making some curry chicken as well for dinner, so I'm just gonna put this in the fridge until I'm finished preparing the seasoning and all of that for the curry chicken, and then I'm gonna pop it into my oven. So as you guys can see, it's nicely seasoned. I'm just gonna pop them in the fridge now, and then I think they were in the fridge for about an hour, and then I took them out and placed them on my bacon pan. I'm gonna place them on my bacon grill, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven. My oven is already preheated at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna pop them in the oven for about 45 minutes. So normally we would jerk our chicken on the grill outside, but today we're doing it in the oven. But what I need to get is a bigger baking grill that I can place in my oven. Yeah, but for right now, this is what I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna pop them in, take them back out after 45 minutes. So guys, this is what my wings look like after 45 minutes. I am just gonna flip them over in another pan so that the other side can get nice and brown as well, and I am gonna remove the juice. I'm gonna throw off the juice that the chicken the liquid that the chicken created. I'm gonna drain it off in a bowl, and then I'm gonna create my sauce. When you're creating your sauce, that is if you want a sauce, because some people like their chicken dry. So if you don't want any sauce, you just flip them over and get the other side nice and brown and take them out as well. But my children like when their wings have sauce on it and, like, you know, nice and sticky. So I am going to create a sauce with the liquid from the chicken, and with that liquid I am going to add the firecracker sauce that I have in my cupboard, and I'm also going to add my Grace browning and my ketchup. Alright, so whatever sauce you have in your oven, whatever sauce you have in your cupboard at the moment, you can go ahead and use that. So you didn't get to see me create the sauce because I'm using my phone to record, and my husband called me while I was doing that and disturbed my recording. But yeah, it's basically whatever sauce you have with and just add it with the liquid from the chicken and just brush it on your chicken, and then I'm gonna pop it back in my oven for another 15 minutes. So look at this, guys, look at the color that is on it already. You can tell that this is gonna come out with a beautiful color just based on looking at it right now. So remember to put your oven light on, because maybe your oven is different from mine. My 15 minutes may be different from your 15 minutes depending on your oven, and you don't want them to burn. You want them to come out looking beautiful just like this. All right, look at that. I'm just going to transfer them to my plate and then show you my presentation. So there they are, guys. You can see that they have a nice beautiful jerk color, courtesy of Walkerswood. I'm not advertising for them, but this is like my favorite jerk seasoning to use, and I always use the hot and spicy. If you don't like the spiciness, you can buy the mild. They do have it in mild. So yes, thank you all so much for watching. These wings were so delicious and everyone enjoyed them, and I'm sure you're gonna enjoy them as well if you use this exact recipe. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. I really do appreciate you for clicking on my video, and please come back again for more delicious recipe right here and country kitchen. I created this channel to teach my kids to make Jamaican food, but they are yet to come in the kitchen. They're kind of busy with school, but you will see them soon. So just keep on watching, guys. Until next time, just be kind, be respectful, and show some love wherever you go. And also be safe out there, guys.